Let me show you how to take apart your Logitech G305 and 304 and fix the most common issues, such as maybe your scroll wheel properly not working, not clicking, or maybe double clicking issues, or basically sometimes your clicks simply not registering, or these buttons maybe unresponsive. First, if you have double clicking issue, you do not even have to actually take apart this mouse. So see, you can actually lift up this pedal here. And if you look closely, you can actually get access to the switch. So you see that tiny white thing. So what you can do is you can simply take like a blower, essentially blow out any dust from here that may be strapped here, or maybe like take a bit of oil. Okay, so and simply drop a few drops on oil of the switch. So you see, I will drop a few drops of oil on the switch and click, maybe for half a minute. Again, repeat it once more on the offending switch. So again, take a bit of oil, drop on it, get inside in the switch, click, and again, that should solve the issues. But yeah, if you still want to take it apart, so first let's remove our battery from the mouse. Then what you have to do is you can maybe take like a small knife here and simply peel off these stickers from the feet. So just like this, and store them upright. You will want to obviously replace them afterwards. Then let's unscrew these screws here. Once unscrew it, try to lift your mouse up here from this side first. So just like this a bit. And then on this side we have to release a tiny clip here. Okay, so see, we release it and we can actually open up the mouse. So you see, for example, I have a bunch of dog hair here inside and we want to clean this. For the scroll wheel, simply drop a bit of oil here and work it inside. Rotate it. And on the other side here as well, just try to lubricate here everything properly. Okay, and rotate, and it should be good. On the tiny switch over here as well, get some oil there. And for the side buttons, you will want to get a bit of oil here in between and click them to work that oil inside the switch. Also, you can keep it like this so it flows inside. Again, get properly oil inside. Also, if needed, these clips over here can be easily unclipped here as well. And to get it back, simply close it up. Okay, push first here. Again, make sure it's all okay over here. Then take your screws. And finally stick on your feet back. Replace your battery and cover, and you are good to go. Good luck.